Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. I'm so sorry I'm not here. I am probably having a fabulous time in Oklahoma. I will tell you this, what you're learning today is actually pretty easy. I actually teach this a little differently than what you might see in the other video. So one thing I really like to do is instead of doing where you see all these, where you've got all of these together, I don't like to do that. I actually like to simplify it down a little bit because let's be honest, you guys now know how to compare and order numbers, right? So if I take my two smallest ones and add them together, like what you see right here, all I then have to do is determine, is 15 and 8/10 larger than 11? And if that answer is true, then this is yes, it's a triangle. And that's exactly what's going on here. So, whereas they're doing like all three, I'm just choosing my two smallest ones. It'd be good if I wouldn't erase. My two smallest ones, my covering over, my two smallest ones, wow, scrolling, sorry, are larger than my largest side, which would be that one. So that's exactly what we're doing. So I'm going to do a couple of examples with you, and then I want you to pause the video. That way you can do a couple of examples. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find my largest angle. When I do that, and I just said angle, wow, so sorry guys. I'm going to find my largest side, and then I'm going to identify my two smaller sides. I'm then going to add these two together. If that total together is larger than my largest side, then it's a triangle. If it is equal, it is not a triangle. So that answer is a big fat no. So let's look at the next one. So I'm going to find my largest side, which would be 11, and then I'm going to add together my two smallest sides. So I got 6 and 1/10 plus 5 and 4/10. That equals 11 and 5/10. Then I ask myself, is this larger than 11 and 2/10? And 5/10 is greater than 2/10, so the answer on this one is yes, this is a triangle. And I'm going to keep doing this every single time. Now this time I don't have a picture, but it still works the exact same way. I'm still going to locate my largest side. And I'm still going to locate my two smallest sides. So I'm going to add these two together. And I really like adding them where they're up and down. That way I'm not trying to do like side to side. Because then I can actually do my math as I need to. And then I can also ask myself, is this larger than my largest side? Which 42 and 7/10 is larger than 42 and 2/10, so this answer is a yes. All right, I want you to pause the video to double check to make sure you got your stuff. Did you pause it? Are you sure you paused it? And if you're laughing at this, you're welcome. I'm trying to make it a little funny. If you're looking at me like, or looking at the screen like, oh my gosh, Miss Garrett, you're cringy. Yes, I sometimes am, and I'm sorry. Then again, maybe I'm not sorry. Alrighty, so hopefully you paused. Please tell me you paused. You're like, oh my gosh, get on with the lesson. Yes, I know, I will get on with the lesson. So I'm going to find my largest side. Up, nope, that's wrong. There's my largest side. Guys, it's okay if you make mistakes. Learn from them. You're like, oh no, I made a mistake. No, Miss Garrett did. So, my two smallest sides, 22, 17. This will be 39, and is 39 larger than 41? The answer on this one is no, so it's not a triangle. All right, this time I promise not to make a mistake. All right, did you pause? Make sure you're pausing. Are you sure you paused? Okay, example 5. Hopefully you paused. Largest side, it'd be 31 and 9/10. And then my two smallest sides would be 18 and 2/10 and 14 and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add those two together. Those of you who could do this in your head, awesome sauce for you. Yes, I just said awesome sauce. Right now, I really can't. So yeah. 32 and 5/10 is greater than 31 and 9/10. That means yes, this is a triangle. All right, guys. Please work on assignment 2. If you're in advanced, you do not have to work on the 7th grade packet. This is just for when I'm here. Make sure you do have the ones that we did from Friday done, though. That's just the first page, so make sure first page is done.